Alright, so this is just a quick video on how I make the YouTube thumbnails. I spend way too much time on thumbnails, but I really want them to look good. I feel like in the whole world of like YouTube videos, unless you have a really good thumbnail, no one's going to click on it. So I think I'm going to sneeze. No. Excuse me. Bless you. Excuse me. Bless me. YouTube thumbnails. Oh my god, I'm losing it. So this was actually one of the first times I ever did the thumbnail in Procreate. Usually I use Photoshop. I don't really know why, but it's actually quite easy in Procreate. I mean, there's nothing you really can't do in Procreate. So if you make videos, or if you thinking about making videos, definitely think about the thumbnails, because I feel like that's what people see, and if it looks professional, if it looks well done, then people assume that the video is also professional and that the video is also well done. I'm not a great designer, but I try to figure out how to design these things to stand out but not be too annoying, or try not to fall into any of the numerous pitfalls with making a thumbnail. So, as always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. No. You hit record, I think. Oh, I'm recording. Trying to figure out how to make the best YouTube YouTube, whatever it is, the little thing that shows up. Someone told me what it was, I can't remember. Cut. I don't remember what it's called. Wanna come here and say hello to everybody? You wanna come say hello? Come on. That's what I have to deal with. So you just gonna stare, or are you gonna come say hello? Come on. Come on. Come on. Never ends, just stares at me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's see if she can make it through the gauntlet. Come on. I guess the chair's more comfortable. I guess the chair's more comfortable than Daddy. How bad? Oh, and FYI, I have shorts on. Business up top, shorts on the bottom. Because that's how I roll. Oh, no. What? I don't know what I'm doing either. I need to be stopped. I need to be cut off. Oh, let me show you something else that I got. While you're